The Nextant 400XTi has been re-engineered from the original airframe of the Hawker-Beechjet 400A and is an upgraded version of the original 400XT. The XTi was completely remanufactured from the ground up, with all new systems, avionics, and a new cabin design with acoustic insulation. All these improvements result in a new jet with increased speed, range, efficiency, and lower operating costs. And because of this, when the aircraft made its debut, it quickly became a game changer in the business aviation market. Here's everything you need to know about the Nextant 400XTi. Stay with us till the end of the video to learn more about this underrated aircraft. Building on the large cabin and flat floor that Beechjets are known for, Nextant completely redesigned the interior and offered 3 different setups. All interior options have space for a full-service galley, a fully enclosed lavatory at the rear of the cabin, dual ice containers, a waste container, and space to store drinks. Seating up to 6 or 7 passengers, the 400XTi features a unique in-class flat floor design. And the new composite shell cabin interior takes advantage of space within the fuselage structure that the existing interior didn't use, and adds 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters of width and 2.5 inches or 6 centimeters of headroom. In the rebuild process, the company also gave a lot of attention to soundproofing, leading to a claimed 12 decibel decrease to 66 decibels in cabin noise levels. The aircraft has a maximum cabin altitude of 8,000 feet or 2,440 meters, similar to what you would find with most airliners and other aircraft in the light category class. As mentioned previously, 3 interior layouts are available, and a typical choice is the forward divan opposite the galley, then a 4-club configuration with seats for up to 8 passengers, including the belted lavatory. Also offering 8 seats is the 4-club layout with 2 forward-facing seats aft and 1 seat up forward opposite the galley. This layout provides less legroom in the club seating area, however. Passenger seats were redesigned by Nextant engineers and are mechanically rebuilt and recovered. The 2 aft-facing seats in the club seating area fold flat, and the divan can be extended outward to provide a larger sleeping surface. The updated interior is elegantly designed and fitted with a Rockwell Collins venue cabin management system with air show moving map, LED lighting, and a new galley with an espresso machine and a new work surface. Other features include individual passenger controls for cabin lighting and temperature, Wi-Fi, an entertainment system, and 110 or 220 volt power outlets. The lavatory bulkhead is moved 6 inches forward, and this helps provide an additional 20 cubic feet or 0.56 cubic meters of interior space for luggage. In total, the 400XTi provides 57 cubic feet or 1.6 cubic meters of internal and external storage. For pilots, the biggest visible change is the flight deck, where the old CRT-based Rockwell Collins Pro Line 4 avionics are replaced with a modern Pro Line 21 suite. The base system in the 400XTi includes 2 primary flight displays and 2 multifunction displays in portrait orientation, which provides 1 PFD and 1 MFD for each pilot to control. Dual Collins FMS 6100s are mounted on the angled position of the console between the seats. All other avionics are new, including dual solid-state altitude and heading reference system, autopilot, wide area augmentation system LPV GPS 4000S, comm and nav, automatic direction finding, distance measuring equipment, transponders, radar altimeter, weather radar, terrain avoidance and warning system, traffic alert and collision avoidance system too. The eyebrow warning lights now use LEDs instead of fussy incandescent bulbs. Engine instruments are all hosted on the Rockwell Collins multifunction displays. And if an MFD fails, the engine indications migrate to the respective primary flight display. Avionics options include international features, such as a flight data recorder and terrain avoidance and warning system A. The Sirius XM weather option can be displayed on either pilot's multifunction display. The base system includes one version of the Rockwell Collins Integrated Flight Information electronic chart system, and a second IFIS is optional. Where the 400XTi truly shines, however, is the greatly improved performance of the new Williams engines. The plane is powered by two Williams FJ44-3AP turbofan engines with a TBO of 5,000 hours, and with each one producing 3,050 pounds of thrust. This combination is able to push the aircraft to a maximum speed of 477 knots, a maximum cruise speed of 447 knots, and up to a maximum cruising altitude of 45,000 feet or 13.7 kilometers, with an average hourly fuel burn of 150 gallons or 570 liters per hour. Nextant engineers considered the heavier FJ44-4A-32 engine, but decided that it made more sense to use the 3APs and burn less fuel. The advantage of the larger engines is better hot and high performance, but the jet itself can't fly faster than its limiting Mach 0.785, and making it weigh more at takeoff would involve significant changes to the landing gear and wing attach structure, changes that the company determined were not worth pursuing. The 400XTi has a maximum range of 2,160 nautical miles, which is 2,485 miles or 4,000 kilometers, and can fly about 5 hours after reaching FL400 to FL410 at long-range cruise speed. The plane can take off in 3,820 feet or 1,165 meters and has a maximum climb rate of 4,300 feet or 1,311 meters per minute, and a landing distance of 2,900 feet or 883 meters, all while maintaining a full fuel payload of 788 pounds or 357 kilograms. On the outside, the most prominent change is the new winglets with embedded LED lights. The 400XTi has new carbon fiber winglets that are raked back farther and shave 24 pounds or 11 kilograms off the empty weight. The new winglets bolt onto the existing structure and are provided as a kit to owners with the old winglets. The new nacelles housing the Williams engines and the larger pylons are the fruit of the computational fluid dynamics analysis that showed excessive drag due to a supersonic shockwave in the area between the nacelles and the fuselage. The pylons now have twice the surface area, and the redesign eliminated the drag problem. To help improve maintenance access to the nose gear in other areas, Nextant also added access panels so mechanics don't need to remove dozens of fasteners for routine maintenance tasks. Further adding to the future reliability is a completely new primary wiring harness, built by Nextant technicians on the company's own looms. The base purchase price for the 400XTi is $5 million before options, but the price for a pre-owned model is $2 million to $4 million. The charter price ranges from $3,500 to $4,000 per hour. Naturally, prices will vary depending on availability, fuel prices, ground fees, and more. While the total fixed cost is roughly $250,000 to $350,000 per year, the average hourly operating cost is estimated at $1,700 to $2,300. Thank you for staying with us till the end. Here are 2 videos you can watch next. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.